Hi everyone, you're on the Kitty Quiz channel. Are you ready for Would You Rather questions today? About old versus new Blox Fruits edition? Kitty prepared 33 questions, and you have only 10 seconds to choose. If you're ready, subscribe to the channel and we'll get started. Which ghost designs do you prefer? Old or new magma, what's your choice? Next up, old or new venom? What would you pick? Tough one. Old or new spirit? Now, would you rather? What do you prefer? Pick one, pick one. Next up. What would you pick? What would you choose? Old portal or new portal? Pick your favorite! Pick one, pick one. Old pain or new pain? Do you prefer the old blizzard or new blizzard? What do you choose? Which do you prefer more? Pick your favorite! What would you pick? Would you rather old or new rubber? Pick one, kick one. What would you pick? Old or new diamond? Which do you prefer? Pick your favorite! Would you rather old or new ice? Pick one, kick one. Do you prefer old or new flame? Would you rather old or new spike? Pick the old or new one. Pick one, pick one. What do you choose? Pick the old or new chalk. Old spin or new spin? Pick your next challenge on the Kitty Quiz channel right below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you soon.